fourth one is this is called the Rictus, which reflects the legs, the knees. Okay, and this, when you massage it up and down, it stimulates the lymphatic circulation in the legs, also the digestive system because of the intestines. And then you go 30 counts, and then go to the other side, 30 counts. So again, this is great if you are experiencing swelling in the legs. This is a great place to stimulate 30. Now, if you were going through something acute like the leg swelling, you would do 30, 3 times around, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, okay?